How thick is it? How thick did we tool path it to before?
2 inch.
It was.
We got a 2 inch slab on
So
that.
that's your Z height is 2 inches now. So change that Z to 2.
Okay, so what we did with Tim here, go to select corners. After you hit that red box in the bottom corner.
Red box.
Yep, you do
hit.
select. Yep, click there. Then you do select corners.
Select corners.
Do a right click and top. It's just easier to do it in the top view. And then you probably have to do fit after that, and then fit. Okay, zoom out a little bit. Now, you want to go to the bottom left corner. So all the way to the upper right. That's good. Click.
Click.
Now you can fill in your Z height as 2 inches. So 2, then enter. You hit enter, right? Okay, you good. You're all right. It's because you're over here now. So just do 2, then enter. All right, last thing you need to do, check this box on that says display middle left.
Check display middle left.
If you don't do that, it doesn't show up on your screen. And then green checkout.
Green checkout.
Now you have a red box around it, right?
I've got a red box around
If you
it.
do isometric right now, you'll see it's an actual 3D cube. There's your slab. The start of it.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and do a right click isometric again, so you'll see your 3D cube for your red slab. Now do fit. Okay, now we're ready to simulate to see if we have any problems with the toolpath. Okay, back over on our left window over here. This is what we call our operations manager. This whole big left window over here.
Operations
See it
manager.
up or down? Yep. So go down 2 rows of button bars, starting with that green check. You see that row? It says select all operations. Go to the right, about 5, 6 icons. You'll see one that says verify. Looks like a little gray profile.
So I'm in operations manager.
The one that looks like a gray profile. Verify. The gray profile, right there.
The gray profile says
Looks like
verify
verify
selector. Okay. So I selected it.
Now yours is going to look a little different than this one over here, so you might want to come over to this screen here now. Okay, so on here now, I usually set the quality all the way to the max, so drag that to the right. Just click over here. Okay. This
Sorry,
speed
guys.
here-
Sorry.
The speed, when we're starting out, this is full blast, as fast as it can go. You see the guy running, the guy walking. Let's go middle of the road to start with. Just click right in the middle. On the bar. A little more. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Guy running, guy
Come up
walking.
top here to play. Oh, one thing. I always check this box on right here. Stop on collision.
Stop on
If he has a
collision.
problem, the simulation stops. That's your message to say, hey, I gotta fix something. There's a problem.
Oh, okay.
All right. Play. Each time now, you see it's going down 3/16. Now, it's cutting slow, and that's fine for now, but if I hit the little guy here, that would speed up the simulation. Let's leave it where it is. It ain't going to take long, because this ain't much of a program. Alright. That one, if there was a problem, it would have stopped, and I would have saw red. Red is always bad. You see red, that's your warning.
Yeah.
Okay? Verify is good. Green check out. Last thing we're going to do, if you want to know roughly how long this part's going to take, green check out. I take it with a grain of salt, because there's variables at the machine that aren't always going to be known. Hit the next button over. Back plot. Click that. Click the double blue arrows. And hit info. It says 8 minutes to cut that out. Now, if I was a betting man, I'd guess closer to 14, 15 minutes, somewhere in that area. Okay?
One rally.
8 minutes.
9 minutes.
Yep.
With a grain of salt.
Let's see.
If you double it,
Let's see. Fit 16.
Even if you double it, you're
Even-
not looking at
Anyway, this is 1
15.
hour for this guy.
Right.
1
So
hour
if
for a
you
guy to
got,
cut it out?
how many pieces did we have
You
in
had,
total?
Let's see right here. You had, this is what the machine needs to run the
Okay, the last thing is to post the G code.
G1.
The G code.
G code, baby.
That is a lot of
Okay,
shit.
it's always going to be a TXT file, which is just a text file. Think of like a simple Word document is what the TXT is, okay? Ask means it's going to ask us for the name of the file we want to save it. Let's go ahead and just do green check. 'em. 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 we're inside Infinity Parts again. We'll probably create another folder for G-code here in a little bit. But for now, 114, that's good enough part family. So part 1, you need 14 of them is what it's saying. But this is only to cut one out. We'll show you nesting later on how to start throwing them in slabs. Green check. There's the G-code to make the machine run. I don't expect you to know what the heck that stuff is. All I want you to know how to do, though, is how to get it out there and loaded. Once you see this screen, red X, upper right corner. You don't touch this. Don't touch it and don't save it and overwrite it.
Right here.
Yep, just red X. That's it. That part would be done.
That's it?
That's it. You're making it be so crazy and bad, like it's going to take too long. No, it's...
So now the machine knows